What's up, everyone? So we just went live with a new type of Ungating Checker on Astro, something to make things a bit more simpler. Now, it's different from the regular Ungating Checker where you scan a list of hundreds or thousands of ASINs and we tell you which ones are gated or not. This one works a bit differently. You can check specific brands or specific ASINs within a second. So I'll just show you how it works. So click on Ungating Checker just over here. Now, how it works, you have a list of all the brands that you might want to look at. Or you can just search for the brand here, for example, and you just click on check status. Now, what it does, it checks your account and it tells you what the status of this specific brand is for your account. If I check on this one, it's going to tell me something else, needs approval. This one again, you can sell, needs approval. And you can go through these and you can see which ones you want to sell. If you want to go to a specific brand, you can go, for example, to the letter that it starts with and check it out there. Or you can go to all, for example, and you can check out your brand that you want to see. For example, let's go Adidas. Gated, restricted. Nike. Restricted. And you can just check out all the ones you want to see this way. If you want to check out a specific ASIN, you can just come over here, you just copy the ASIN and you can paste it right over there and say check ASIN. Or for example, another one, restricted. But when you want to check hundreds or thousands of ASINs, the ones that you're actually processing and scanning, you want to see how they work, what you need to do is you need to send your ASINs from a scan list to a shortlist. In the shortlist section, you'll get this view right here. So just notice this, all the ASINs, these ASINs that we're looking at here, we can see their status in the eligibility column. We can see everything we need to see. Now from this view over here, we can analyze if they're profitable and see all the information we need to see. As long as we have the pricing from the goods, we can analyze all the data that you need to see. Now, I can just simply click on eligibility and sort from the ones that I can sell to the ones that I can't sell. So if we're looking at this group of ASINs over here, we can see all these ASINs I can sell from this list of 246 ASINs. There are quite a few. So it stops over here. There's 143 ASINs I can sell. I can filter out the ones that I don't, that I can't sell as well. I can just come over here and say eligible. And I can apply some of these filters and I can see which ones, for example, which ones am I restricted on from this list of 246? And I'm restricted on 10. Let's see which ones I need an invoice. I need to request approval. You can see now there are 93. What about the ones that I can actually just approve? I'm approved to sell. I can sell all these. 143. So these ones I know that I'm approved to sell. But back to the other feature that we were just showing. So here you can just go from brand to brand. It's just over here, the Ungating Checker. You just go brand to brand. You can check exactly the status of all these ASINs according to your account. In general, the way you get ungated, obviously you can use an invoice to get ungated, but it's also very helpful if you sell in general in high volume. Often, more products start to get ungated. A much larger percentage of Amazon's catalog would be open to you. Let's, for example, go to the letter M and check out these ones. I can sell this brand. Restricted. Restricted. Can sell. Gated. Needs approval. So it's a very fast and convenient way. And there's pages and pages of brands in this list. There's so many lists over here, so many products. You can just go through all these if you want. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to get access to Astro Advanced Analytics, check out the description. There's a link to Astro there. Also, if you want to join the Telegram group, there's also a link in the description for that. We discuss how to make it big as an Amazon wholesale reseller. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.